she had seen 8 other doctors before me. So I was the 9th doctor that she had seen.
Wow, 9th?
9th. And she was like, please, can you please help me? I don't know what's wrong with me. I've seen so many doctors. She's even been referred to a cardiologist for her palpitations. And even the last doctor that she saw was actually a psychiatrist. And so because they thought she was delusional for having those sort of thoughts, and symptoms. And so they wanted to put her on antidepressants. And so she was like, okay, at this point, I really don't want to do that because I know that I didn't have these symptoms before. Why is it coming now? Yes. And so we did simple tests, of course, a very detailed consultation with her. And I found out that she was iron deficient, severely iron deficient.
Okay.
Like what should have been 100, she was just 1 at 1.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, exactly. And so we addressed that. We addressed her gut health as well. And so then after that, she felt completely better. She was so, happy again. And she was happy because she was able to know what, she was dealing with all these years. And I was happy for her that, we were able to do that together. Yeah. So it was great. Yeah.
I mean, these kind of things, like let's say that patient of yours was a female founder or an entrepreneur, right?
Yeah.
Like, I think that will take a really big toll on her business as well because she's not able to perform at her level best.
Yes.
So imagine, right? Just imagine that you don't know that you were iron deficient, right? And you've been feeling so low and you just realize that all you need was just like to include more iron in your body so that everything's fixed instead of going through doctors back and forth and not knowing what is it exactly. Is it really depression and you have to be under an antidepressant? So I really think that the functional medicine really level up your health and really make you understand your body even more.
Yeah. Exactly.
That's an amazing story. Is there another story that you want to share with us? So interesting.
Okay, so I had this athlete actually. So she was trying to train for a competition. And so she was having really severe gut health issues. And so again, she's also, been hospitalized a few times, been put on a lot of medications. And so she was feeling really off. She said the medications sort of made her sick. She was like vomiting and things like that. And so she was referred to me. And so again, detailed consultation. I found out what was the problem. And so I addressed her gut health. And after that, she became so much better. And like I saw her at our one of our launch events.
Okay.
And then I asked her, because she was not in KL at the time. So she, when I was treating her, we were like doing it online.
Okay.
So I would send all the supplements.
You do it online as well?
Yeah.
Wow,
So,
amazing.
I do Zoom
you don't really need to
consultation.
come in in person, but you can actually have a call with actually have a call with you.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, cool.
I do a lot of these Zoom consultations and Google Meet. And so then, I sent her some of the supplements and gut health supplements that she needed. And so then when I saw her, I think it was 2 years from when I last spoke to her. And I was curious, I was like, actually, I wanted to ask you, I said, how are you feeling now? And she's like, I feel so much better. I don't have those issues anymore. I'm completely free of those gut health issues, able to train again, like as an athlete. And then I just asked her a question. Actually, I just wanted to know because I didn't remember the numbers. And I was like, I do remember all my patients, but sometimes, you get confused with certain things. And
exactly.
So, because, and then I asked her, I said, actually, how many years were you going through those gut issues?
Yeah.
And she was like, actually 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah. I was like, oh my God.
Audio Plus.